Hey everybody, this is Robin from Violet Botanical Skincare, and welcome back to Work With Me Wednesday. You know I love it when you hang out with me in the lab, so let's get right down to it. So last week we were talking about infused oils, and I had mentioned to you that infused oil is the first form of extraction before steam distillation of the essential oils. And they used it, ancient Egyptians used it thousands of years ago. So I want to show you the after so that you know what a good quality infused oil looks like. So remember last week we had sandalwood. So here's that sandalwood. Here's that sandalwood oil that I infused. Now, when you do an oil infusion, you can either use a fresh plant or a dried plant. Personally, I like to use dried plant because a fresh plant has water in it, and you have to know the amount of water in it. And of course, with water, you're going to have to use a preservative or you're going to end up with a moldy infused oil. So that's why I like to use the dried plant. But to refresh your memory, infused oils, remember, you're going to get all the nutrients, all the minerals, all the vitamins, all the good stuff that you want from that plant or that herb that you're using. That's why you're using it. Now, here is the bitter orange. This is the bitter orange. Look at that that nice deep color. Just think about it when you're thinking about fruits and vegetables, right? When you think about fruits and vegetables, they have nice deep colors. You know they are nutrient dense. Now, here's an oil I did a couple of weeks ago. This is lavender. Look at that nice, beautiful kind of amber green color. That is lavender infused oil. I used dried lavender plant, and this is what I got. So this is why I'm trying to teach you the difference between a really good quality infused oil. Now, and another reason why infused oils are good, think about certain plants. There are some plants that are grown way up in high altitudes, or they're grown in areas where it's a very hostile environment for the plant life. And so what they have to do is then they have to start to develop new qualities and different properties to survive in that environment. So now when you take that plant, and in my case the dried plant, so when you take that dried plant and you infuse it in that oil, all those additional properties that they built up, it goes in that oil and you get all of those benefits. So that's another benefit of infused oils over essential oils, is because sometimes in that distillation process, you're not going to get all of those goodies, all those good properties, nutrients, and minerals. Now, I want you to do me a favor. I want you to, a little test for me here. And I'm going to give you a pop quiz next week. When you go into a store, and if they have lavender infused oil, I want you to take a look at it and see if it's this dark and deep color. Look at that lavender oil. Try to remember it in your head. Try to be photogenic about this. Is that lavender this deep and dark color? And see, and that's the difference between using an infused oil with a plant as opposed to using an infused oil with essential oils. I'm having a really good time with these infused herbal oils, and just kind of stick around and keep your eye out. Think you might see some of these things start to pop up on the website there. But anyway, that's what I just wanted to share with you today. I wanted to show you the after and the results of those infused oils, and to teach you so that you are a conscious consumer when you go out there. And if someone's trying to give you an infused oil and it's crystal clear as water, you're like, you might want to, maybe take a second thought about that. So thank you for joining me at the lab here today with Work With Me Wednesday. And like this video, share it with a friend. And if you're not signed up on our website, go ahead and sign up on our website, because you're going to get these videos in your inbox each and every week, so you won't miss any. Again, thank you, and I'll see you next week.